What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Malik Mufasa channel. Today, we got some juicy information for you guys. And I don't think you guys are ready. Like, we got a 16-year-old kid doing BS. We got a lot of other things going on. You know, it's just a really effed up community right now. And we're just going to, try to improve it, try to make it better. We're going to give you guys the real stuff, no BS, no fluff. So if you're ready, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Right,
everybody think we hating, bro, and we not hating, bro. We just speaking facts, bro, and we're trying to help the community out, man. Yeah. So, man, let's get to this video
started. Let's get this video.
So, everybody know about tearing their planes, man. 16, 17-year-old posts crazy numbers like every day. Okay. Probably all the numbers he posts. He's probably like a millionaire now. Yeah, maybe a billionaire. Bill Gates, probably, I don't know, some type of shit, bro. Yeah, he posts a lot of crazy numbers every day. So I called him out on the 1099 challenge. So I wanted to see where all this money coming from, man. If he can really prove it up, if he can back it up on paper, that's it. And I mean, so I got in this comment section. I told him, man, 1099 challenge, man, I need to see some proof. And he commented back and he said, LOL, sir, whenever I can get it, I'll show you when I can. It was sent to the incorrect address, so I'm in the process of obtaining it before my taxes are complete.
Wait, what? Did he say he's gonna mail it?
Yeah,
he's waiting for the mail for the tax.
Yeah, but it's 1099, bro. You just go on Shopify Payments and download it, bro. This kid's an idiot, bro. This kid's an idiot, bro. Like, they don't mail you your 1099, bro. You go and download it, just like with Shopify, just like with PayPal, just with anything else e-commerce related. You download it online. They don't mail it to you.
Yeah, I don't think you mail it.
So we're going back and forth,
I'm kind of confused. I don't know if you guys are confused, but
yeah. So we're going back and forth, and he was saying it's mailed to my agent and then mailed to my accounting. Like, okay, what are you talking about?
We'll give him that pass.
No, bro, they don't mail. How do you mail something to your accountant, bro? Why would Shopify mail it to your accountant, bro? Yeah. They mail it to you yourself, your taxes, bro. Imagine someone getting your W-2 and it's mailed to like somebody that did your taxes like 2 or 3 years ago that you don't even go to. Like, that don't even make sense at all, bro. Yeah. So he's like, message me, bro. Message me. I can prove it to you right now. I make all this amount of money. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I messaged him. Yeah. I said, so where's the 1099? And, he was like, when can you and your sidekick hop on? So, I mean, Malik gonna post a screenshot, so I'm gonna go through it. That's when you was in Dubai and all.
Oh, yeah.
So, but then I was like, bro, please post your 1099, bro. Please prove me wrong, bro. Like, bro, if you just
we want these people to prove us wrong.
But prove us wrong, bro. You prove us wrong, it'd be like, damn, okay, I can't say nothing.
Like, we ain't got nothing to hide, right?
Yeah.
Like, we want, like, we helping you guys out. Like,
yeah, bro.
If the community see this and they see that y'all like
imagine
legit.
if they prove and back their stuff up, they make themselves make more legit to the community.
Yeah,
bro. So he's like, check my story, jackass. And I checked this story. It's another screenshot of my past story and shit like that. But like, no, I don't give a fuck, bro. Yeah. And then he said he wanted to make some content with us, so because we're throwing shade at him, it will be fire. Yeah. So I was just like, bro, I'm like,
bro.
This
ain't about content, man.
Yeah, and then he said I can back everything up with evidence. My car is fake. Like, bro, why y'all keep talking about your cars, bro? I don't care about your cars. Y'all 16, 17-year-olds driving Porsches and shit, bro. Like, come on now. Like, be real. Like, y'all got no type of damn credit, bro. We know your dad probably is under your dad's name, bro. Yeah. And we know your dad's a successful businessman, bro. Yeah. Philip Plains, bro. Not gonna get into that because it's about your ass. But I was like, that don't mean nothing, dude. I was like, just post your 1099, bro. You keep dodging, like, he keeps avoiding the 1099 question, bro. Yeah. And then after that, he's like, LOL.
He king the weave game,
yeah,
bro.
So he's like, show me where on Shopify to download the 1099K. I'll do it right now. And I'm like, bro, you don't know where to download the 1099K. First, you say...
He asked you to where to download it.
Yeah, he asked me where to download it, bro. So
he's claiming to make all this money.
He came and make all this money, bro, and he don't know how to do his taxes or none of that, bro. So, like, where's this coming from, bro? Like, huh? I guess he don't file no taxes or nothing, bro. Yeah, bro. He could have like stopped and read the message and be like, let me go ask my dad. What else he said. But this guy said, nah, he fell for the trap though. Kind of like that. He was asking for the trap. But I don't know, bro. So yeah, I told him, man, them cars probably rented from Enterprise Exotic or some shit, bro. I was just talking, but then I was like, I gave him my number. You block out my number, man.
Yeah.
So, and I said, by the way, 99.9% of the people that got their 1099Ks don't file their taxes already, and it was like a week before April 17th, bro. So like, you not knowing about your taxes or filing, bro. Like, come on now, bro. Like, just to be professional, bro. Yeah. I mean, it's whatever, bro.
And you teaching like what your audience like.
And then he said, my mail is sent to a registered agent, which then goes to my accountant. I'm just like, bro, what?
This is just too complicated.
So Shopify sends a mail to a registered agent and then goes to your accountant. That shit don't make no sense at all, bro. Like, come on, man. This guy just man. Somebody need to give this kid a wedgie. Whatever school you go to, whatever high school you bro. Somebody give this kid a wedgie, bro. Quit lying, bro. And then he says, hit up my salesman. So you don't think I brought my car, bro? I'm not gonna hit up your salesman. I don't care, bro. Materialistic stuff, don't, man. I'm in my office with sweats on, bro. Come on, man. I don't care about materialistic stuff, bro.
Like, everybody just talking about cars and like
trust me, bro. There's more to life about cars, man. You realize that the older you get, though, it's more to life than materialistic things. You realize that older you get. But we'll talk about that in another video. But I gave him my number, and then he said he's gonna give me a call. He's not gonna record it, and then he just pretty much backed out of it. He's like, bro, I'm not gonna give y'all clout and all that, but we're not chasing clout, bro.
We're not chasing, like, come on.
But I mean, it's whatever. But I guess we clout chasers, bro. Head ass. And then after that, he just says, I don't got nothing to prove to y'all, and then so on and so on. And he pretty much didn't want to do it no more.
Did he call you back?
No, he never called me, bro. He gave him my number, and he could have called me anytime, bro. We could have talked about it. And one thing about it, like, this dude did not want to like prove nothing on paper, bro. But like, let's say I called a guy out named Nick B. Yeah. I call him out. You know me. I talk crazy, bro. I talk crazy in the comment section. They delete their comment. He messaged me. He's like, bro, like, what I need to do to prove? Because you're kind of like, I want to be legit. I mean, I want to prove to people that I'm legit, man. I work really hard for this. I have pride in my brand. I'm like, okay. Yeah. Okay, this guy really has pride in his brand. Okay. Call me up, bro, and I'll show you how to download 1099K. I was like, bro, you just go to Shopify Payments and then you download it, bro. Yeah. And I was like, okay, man. He gave me a call, FaceTime. He's like, where's the link? I was like, right there. He downloaded. He showed me his 1099K, 6 figures like that.
6 figures.
He shut me up, and I'm like, damn, bro. Then we connected. We did, and like, we probably do business later in the future, bro. Yeah. And then now, like, his business makes more legit, because people always ask me, like, is this guy legit? Because I saw you comment on his picture and say, yeah, he passed the 1099 challenge. Yeah. And like, yeah, he did. And now it goes from there, bro. Yeah. And he talked to me. He was cool and all. He pulled it up, bro. And his parents, like, he wasn't scared to show it at all, bro. Yeah, like, that's really it, bro. Like, even if, like, your parents handle your taxes, because I understand these kids are young, bro. Because he even admitted, like, my parents handled this. I just handled the Shopify part. Like, that's truthful. That's being honest, bro.
Yeah, that's just being honest. Just being honest, guys.
Tanner, like, you could have took notes from that, bro, but I mean, it is what it is. But enough about that, bro. Like, you took his course, though. Let's talk about the course.
Oh no! yeah, I took that. Why you put me in the spotlight, bro?
Man, shit, man. They need to know about his course, because he's selling a $500 course, bro. At 17 years old, 16 years old, bro. We need to know.
All right. If y'all want my review on this course, man, but y'all asked for it. But all right, so let me tell you how it went down. So I guess he was doing a 7-day challenge for his course. And, I took it. Yeah, I took some notes, see if anything I got from it. And I checked my notepad, and I realized I didn't write anything.
Like, you didn't drop no gems, no keys.
Yeah.
No keys.
Like, I didn't wrote nothing on
so
my notepad.
It wasn't even worth the money.
To me, it wasn't worth $500. For me, it wasn't worth $500.
Damn.
But I don't know. I feel like maybe it would be a good for a beginner. I don't know, but
$500.
But in that though, like, I don't know, $500 is a lot, for a course that just like popped up with, I guess, $2K the next day, because he was doing, he was leading up to it, and then after that, like the 4th or 5th day, he popped up with like $400 in sales. I was like, okay, cool. Next day, like, he just came out with $2K. I was like, damn. Okay, well, but the funny part about it is that, he showed like his email marketing stuff, and of course you send out emails to your customers. Yeah. And he sent about like 1,100, but then on the side it says 0 in sales. So I don't know, that kind of doesn't add up to me. You know what I mean? Like, I would at least think that he would get at least a couple sales, or or his sales should actually pop up on that app, Yeah. So I don't know, but I don't know. To me, it wasn't worth $500.
Was it like some shit you could look on YouTube?
Yeah, technically, yeah.
Damn.
Like I even made a 7-day challenge series. Like it was basically that. So
for real?
I mean, I don't know, bro.
So
people just making.
Would you recommend his course to like new beginners or anything?
Nah,
that whole they gonna waste that $500, bro. Shit, cause that's $500, man. I don't know, that ain't worth it, bro. That whole better have a midterm or something. That whole better have
no midterm.
better have a final exam, bro. That's
know.
Crazy though. So like,
but y'all could buy it. Y'all be the judge for yourself. But
yeah, but
I don't know.
Yeah, but there's young people out there and there's people that older than us that invested their time to try his course and stuff and knew what he was talking about.
Yeah.
But like for like not information that worth $500, like honestly, I can from tell what you just said. His course sound like worth like $50 or some shit, bro. But for some information you can get on YouTube for free.
Yeah, technically, like
do your due diligence, y'all.
I didn't really like, and then like I guess his bonuses is like how to find products.
Oh man,
but like, come on, guys, like.
I
don't know, man. I don't know. It's because like I mean, we're not hating on like young people or like 16-year-olds or anything.
But he's scamming at a young age though. That Shopify link on his first video, boy. I know it. I know you got to check off for that.
But you know,
I mean, it's just the fact that like
people people spending $2K,
but
like going back to Thaddeus, bro. Like people spending $2,000 to $1,000, but people like. They're not taking them serious, you know?
Yeah, I know, bro. Like, I know. And, like...
Just the fact...
Even though they finesse at a young age, bro, we know y'all finessing, bro. But, like, just do legit business because it'll be better for y'all in the future. I know we clown people that are exposed to being fakes, but I'd rather be legit in real life because it's going to carry down the road. It's going to always follow you because you're going to have that name on your rep. Imagine, like, business, like you're doing insurance, real estate, fucking taxes, bro.
Yeah. For
people, bro. 300,000 clients, bro.
Yeah.
And, like, you scam them.
Yeah,
and imagine like the next year they don't come back. You broke. You broke. Like that's
like a lot of people are like
no retention rates.
Yeah, like a lot of these people are just relying on courses. Like and if
you're trying to get that quick buck,
if you just take the course money away, like most of them ain't really shit.
Yeah, I know, bro. So I mean, I just want to promote better business, bro, because that just makes. Bro, it's longevity, bro. Everything will follow along with you, bro. Your name, your brand, all that, bro.
Yeah.
And you represent your family and all that, bro. So that's my advice for these kids, man. Just keep it legit, man. Don't try to get nobody, bro. Because what a lot of these kids be looking like to me is one of them people that post on Facebook and Instagram, my DMs that be like, want to make $200K in a day or turn 200 to 500. You know, the little scams or whatever.
Yeah. On the DMs, bro.
Yeah.
I don't
know,
man.
Shit, man.
Like, it's just that advice to, like, these kids, man. Like, we not hating or nothing like that. We just want the community to be healthy community because a lot of people are looking at e-commerce, Shopify. Like people are at like legit looking at like people are like scams and stuff. You know what I mean? And we don't want like especially these big guys. We want you guys to do legit business. Like that's it. So at the end of the day, any last words, Johnny? Like
no, that's it, man.
That's it, man. So we're gonna let you guys be the judge for yourself. Don't take it for granted, but at the end of the day,
give that kid a wedgie, man. Whoever that go to his high school, give that kid a wedgie, bro.
Hey, actually, hashtag give that kid a wedgie down below. We not playing no games out here. So if you love this video, if you liked it, go ahead and smash that like button. I already know them dislikes are gonna be coming because they're gonna
like to buy them dislike bots, man.
Yeah,
hey, send them hoes our way, bro. Keep spending that money, bro. Keep spending that money, bro.
At the end of the day, your boy is still here. Peace out.